Welcome to Two Projects. In this video, we are going to explain the project Travel Itinerary Planner. Before diving into the execution, let me give you an overview of the project. So, the Travel Itinerary Planner is a web application using Django designed to simplify the planning, booking, and management of travel itineraries. So, it offers features like itinerary creation, transport and hotel booking, and feedback collection. The application serves administrators, employees, and end users with specific functionalities for each role. So, planning a trip involves many steps, such as choosing destinations, booking transportation and accommodations, and coordinating plans. The travel itinerary planner makes this easier by centralizing and automating these tasks, improving efficiency and user friendliness. It also helps travel agencies and companies manage their clients' needs more effectively. So, users interact through a web based interface. We have three different types of users: administrators, employees, and end users. So, administrators can manage employee details and view login records. Employees can create and modify itineraries, manage transport and hotel details, and handle bookings and feedback. Coming to end users can register, search for and book itineraries, transport, and hotels. They can cancel bookings, provide feedback, and view FAQs. So, the main beneficiaries are travel agencies, employees, end users, and administrators. The key goals are to streamline travel planning, enhance efficiency, improve user experience, facilitate feedback, and ensure secure data handling, making the travel itinerary planner an essential tool for enhancing the travel experience. So, this is the overview of the project. Now we look at the software and hardware requirements to execute this project. Hardware requirements are operating system of Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 4 GB and above, and hard disk of 10 GB and above. Software requirements are Python IDLE of Python 3.7.0 version and MySQL Workbench. So these are the requirements. Now we'll look at the execution. Before execution, first we need to open the code folder, which contains the project's source code files. So this is the code folder and these are the contents I have in the code folder. This is travel folder. Inside this folder are Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into the project during runtime. This is travel app folder. This folder comprises a static folder which contains files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. So these files contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application. And this folder also contains a templates folder. Within this folder, we'll find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html, and more, representing various sections of the website. And travel app folder also contains Python code files. These files consist of Python code that will be executed during the runtime of the application, supporting its functionality. This is DB file. So this file contains SQL queries that need to be executed within MySQL Workbench in order to establish the required database structure. This is manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, applying migrations, and more. And this is run.bat file. Instead of executing the program through command line interface, we have created Windows batch file to execute the project. So this file provides an alternative way to execute the project. So this is about the code folder. Now double click on the run.bat file so that manage.py file is compiled. So in the command line, we can see after running the manage.py file, the Django framework will host the application locally at the default address, local host, and port unless configured differently. So this is the local host and this is the port. Now copy the local link provided by the framework. This is the link. I'm copying it and paste it into any web browser. I usually prefer Chrome. After pasting it, type index.html at the end and hit the enter button. So the home page of the project has been displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using the Django framework. So here we can see admin login, employee login, user login, new user sign up, FAQ, help desk links. So I'm clicking on the admin login link. So first we'll log in as administrator, give the credentials of administrator here. So these are static credentials. After giving the credentials, click on login button. So we have logged in as administrator. Here we can see add employees, view authenticated employees and log out. So click on the add employees link. Here administrator can add employees to the system. So we have to give these details. Employee name would be Ram. Give the password. Give the contact number. Give the email ID. And the address. After filling in these details, click on register button. So here we can see employee details added. And by clicking on this view employees link, here we can see the added employees. So we can see only one employee has been added to the system. We can see all the details of the employee here. So admin can view the details here. And by clicking on this view authenticated employees link, so here we have to give from date and to date. So we will get the list of employees who were authenticated between these dates. So who were logged in between these dates. Now click on logout. Now we'll log in as employee. Click on employee login link. Give the credentials of employee. Username is Ram. Give the password here and click on login button. So we have logged in as employee Ram. And here we can see create itinerary package, add transport, add hotels, view bookings, feedback and ratings, and logout links. Now we'll click on create itinerary package link. So here we can see create itinerary package, view or modify itinerary and backlinks. Click on create itinerary package link. Here we can create itinerary plan. We have to fill these details. Itinerary name would be Agra tour. Attraction description would be Agra tour for a family with accommodation and food. And package price would be 50,000. Now click on submit button. So here we can see itinerary details added with ID number 1. So all these details are stored. Now click on view or modify itinerary link. So here we can see the itinerary plan details, itinerary ID, itinerary package name, package description, the price. And by clicking on this click here to modify link, we can edit the details, the itinerary details if wanted. I'm clicking on this link. We'll edit the package price. I'm giving it as 40,000. Now click on submit button. So here we can see itinerary details modified with ID number 1. Click on view or modify itinerary. Here we can see the price has been updated. So in this way we can add any number of itinerary packages. Click on back. Now we'll add transportation details. Click on add transport link. Here we can see add transport details, view or modify transport and backlinks. Click on add transport details link. So we can add any number of transport details to the system. So transport name would be Garuda. Source location is Mumbai. Destination location is Delhi. Departure time is 7 o'clock in the evening. And arrival time would be 10 o'clock the next day. and price is 5,000. Now click on submit button. So here we can see transport details added with ID number 1. So we have added transport details to the system. We can view the details by clicking on this link. So here we can see all the details we have just entered. And by clicking on this click here to modify link, we can edit the details if we want to. Click on back. Now we'll add hotel details. Click on add hotels link. Here we can see add hotels, view or modify hotel details and backlinks. Click on add hotels link. So we can add any number of hotel details to the system. Hotel name would be Clinton Hotel. Room price is 10,000. Hotel location is Delhi. And service description is room with all the facilities and food. Now click on submit button. So here we can see hotel details added with ID number 1. We can view these details by clicking on this view or modify hotels link. So here we can see all the details of the hotel. So we have added only one hotel here. We can also add any number of hotels here. And if we want to edit the hotel details, we can do that by clicking on this click here to modify link. Now click on back. By clicking on this view bookings link, here employees can view the list of bookings made by the customers. We can see there are no bookings yet made by the customers. And by clicking on this feedback and ratings link, here customers can view the feedbacks or ratings given by the customers. We can see it is empty. There are no feedbacks or ratings given by the customers yet. Now we'll log out as employee. So if you are new to the system, we have to register ourselves first, that is as a customer. So click on the new user sign up link here. Now we'll register as a customer. Username of the customer would be Ramesh. Give the password, give the contact number, give the email ID, and the address. Now click on register button. So here we can see sign up done. You can log in now. So we have signed up as a customer. Now we'll log in, click on user login link, give the credentials of the customer Ramesh. Enter the correct details and click on login button. So we have logged in as customer Ramesh. Here we can see search itinerary package, search transport, search hotels, cancel booking, feedback and ratings, and logout links. Click on the search itinerary package link. Here customers can view all the itinerary packages added by the employee. So we can see there is only one itinerary package available, that is Agra tour. We can see all the details, the package description and the price. And if we want to book the itinerary, we can do that by clicking on this click here to book link. I am clicking on the link. So now we have to fill in these details. Package ID is 1, the price is 40,000, those are fixed. So we have to select the traveling date when we would like to travel. So I'm selecting it as 15th of June 2024. We have to enter the card number and the CVV number. Now click on submit button. So here we can see itinerary booking details added with ID number 1. So we have selected the itinerary package. Now we'll search for transport. Click on the search transport link. So here we can view all the transport details added by the employee. So we can see there is only one transport available on that date for that destination. So these are the details of the transport. And if we want to book the transport, we can click on this, click here to book transport link. I'm clicking on this link. We have to give these details again. We have to select the traveling date, that is 15th. We have to give the card number and we have to give the CVV number and click on submit button. So we can see transport booking details added with ID number 1. Now we'll search for hotels. Click on search hotels link. So we can see there is only one hotel available for that location and on that date. So these are the details of the hotel. Click on the click here to book link. So now we have to enter the occupying date here. I'm giving it as 16th. We have to enter the card number and CVV number for the payment. And click on submit button. So we have booked the hotel also. And by clicking on this cancel booking link, we can cancel the itinerary package or the transport or the hotel if we want to. So these are the details, and if we want to cancel any of them, we can click on these respective click here links. And by clicking on this feedback and ratings link, the customers can give the feedbacks for the employees, for the packages, the itinerary packages, the transport and hotel facilities. So feedback I'm giving is this itinerary package with all the facilities is affordable, loved the experience. So this is the feedback I'm giving and I'm rating it with 5. Now click on submit button. So here we can see your feedback accepted. Our employees will work on it. So now we'll log out. Now we'll log in as employee. Click on the employee login link. Give the credentials of employee. So we have logged in as employee Ram, and by clicking on the view bookings link, here we can see the bookings. So user Ramesh has booked the itinerary, transport and hotel. We can see all the details, username, package ID, prices, travel date or hotel occupying date, card number, CVV, the booking date and the booking type. So here we can view all the bookings made by the customers. And by clicking on this feedback and ratings link, here we can see the feedback given by the customer. So here we can see Ramesh has given the feedback. This is the feedback. We can see the rating and the feedback date. Now click on logout. Now we'll log in as admin. Click on the admin login link. Give the credentials of admin and click on login button. We have logged in as admin. Now click on view authenticated employees link. So here we have to provide from date and to date. From date would be 8th June 2024 and to date would be 11th June 2024. Now click on submit button. So here we can see the list of employees who have logged into the system between these dates. So we can see employee Ram has logged into the system, have signed into the system between these dates 4 times. And we can also see the date and time at which he has signed into the system. And we can see the login status, if it is successful or not. Now click on logout. Now we log in as user again. Click on user login. Give the credentials of user. So I have logged in as Ramesh, the customer. Now I'm giving the feedback and ratings again. So this time for hotel. Hotel services can be improved and rating is 1. Click on submit button. So we can see your feedback accepted. Our employees will work on it. And I am clicking on this cancel booking link and I wanted to cancel the hotel booking. So I'm clicking on this click here to cancel link of hotel. So we can see selected booking deleted. So the hotel booking has been cancelled. Now click on logout. We'll log in as employee. Give the credentials of employee Ram. I have logged in as Ram, the employee. Now click on view bookings link. We can see there are only 2 bookings now. The hotel booking has been cancelled. And in the feedback and ratings link, we can see the feedback given now. Now click on logout. And here we have a FAQ help desk link. By clicking on this, here we can view the frequently asked questions and their answers. So in this way, the travel itinerary planner simplifies travel planning by centralizing itinerary creation, booking, and management tasks. It serves administrators, employees, and end users, making the process more efficient and user friendly. By automating these tasks and providing an easy to use platform, it enhances the overall travel experience for both travel agencies and travelers.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.